Do you think she'll come out soon?
Who will tell the story first? Saya mau cerita duluan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will tell you a story about caterpillar. The title is Just You Wait. Once upon a time, there was a caterpillar that crawled around the garden. One day, I'm going to fly, the caterpillar. Fly, said Mouse, but you are a worm. Worm cannot fly. I'm not a worm. When I have wings, I won't have to crawl anymore, Caterpillar added. Rabbit, who heard that, feel confused. When you have wings, but aren't you a slug? Slug can't fly. I'm not a slug, Caterpillar told her. Just you wait and see. Where is that centipede going? He asked. I don't know, but she thinks she can fly. Caterpillar just smiled. I'm not the worm or a slug or a centipede, she told them. I am a caterpillar and one day I'm going to fly. Mouse, rabbit, and skunk were confused. Do you think she'll come out soon? And shook until she free over cocoon. But she wasn't a caterpillar anymore. She was a butterfly.